Hey, I'm Shanna, and I've got something to show y'all. It's these plants right here. So we just drove out to Hilltop Hollow Farm, and it's right outside of Bellefonte, Pennsylvania here. And Steve, the owner, he has tons and tons of natives and a few fruit trees too. So some non-natives like Japanese maples and apple trees, cherry trees. Absolutely gorgeous inventory, and we're super excited to design with these plants and get some more pollinators attracted to our little plot of land here. This is Hamamelis virginiana, and native, okay? Also, Hamamelis vernalis is a native. The difference is virginiana will bloom in fall, vernalis in winter. Get both, right? Yes. It already has buds on it. So, oh my gosh, you know, and the leaves, just look at the shape. Similar to Father Gila, right? Like if you ever notice, they're very similar leaf shapes. Royal fern, Asmunda regalis. This is a great fern that grows quite big, right? And also, if you're a fern lover, add this one to contrast with the, like, I guess like the finer textured ones, you know? Super excited about these. We got two of those. Well, you want to talk about the elephant in the room? This is Eastern pine. This is Pinus strobus, a weeping variety. So this won't get very tall. It will only get about 15 feet tall and 10 to 12 feet wide. You can prune it to maintain like the shape that you would like. I just love it because it's soft, and the colors like this blue-green. Oh my gosh, I don't know where we're gonna put it, but you know, it's like the perfect specimen tree, you know. Yeah, I don't know where we're gonna put it. Winter red, a female. So we're gonna look for Southern Gentleman. That's my favorite of the men's winter berries, as you know, as a mate for this one, so that they can make fruits, be fruitful, and be merry in fruit. They'll be merry and fruit up together. Okay, and we have this holly. This is blueprints. Speaking of, you know, berries and pollination, this is the prince to our blue princess. So she's back there, and we will plant this one not too far from her. And we got a little pawpaw tree, Asamina triloba. We left a sweet pawpaw tree in our Nashville garden, so I had to get this today and start a little pawpaw colony here. The pawpaw, for those of you who are not familiar, is the largest fruit native to North America, and the fruit is quite lovely. It tastes, if you get a good one, it tastes like banana custard. So also a native, and you can find it anywhere from Florida all the way up to New York, I believe. So yeah, super excited, as you can tell. Okay, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Shanna T. Johns, and I'm a Pennsylvania gardener.